Jefferson County is back in the orange zone for COVID cases, despite having more than 1.7 million people vaccinated in the state. Yesterday, Beshear announced more than 360 new COVID cases. That's with more than 70 new cases right here in Jefferson County. And across the country, we passed 104 million people fully vaccinated. About 44% of the population has gotten at least one dose. Today, in an effort to get more teens vaccinated, Greater Clark County schools will be giving out shots to students 16 and older at each of their high school schools. The district partnered with the county's health department to distribute the vaccines. Some high schools in Floyd County had similar clinics last month. This is for students who have already signed up and gotten a guardian's approval. But even more students could be added to the list any day now, as Pfizer could get FDA approval to use the vaccine on those 12 to 15 years old. The company is waiting on the emergency use authorization, which could happen this week. Experts say vaccinating younger populations is critical because even though they are less likely to get seriously ill, they can still get and spread COVID to others. But hesitancy is still an issue. The CDC saying daily shots are down 22%.
But we're setting up trust in the healthcare system, which many of these individuals had lost a long time ago.
Doctors say those shots for children will likely be administered in locations where they'll be easily accessible, like their pediatrician's office. The more than 3,000 people that got their first dose at Cardinal Stadium on their opening day were due back for their second one today. Players from the Louisville Extreme were part of the crowd today. So were Louisville athletic physicians, telling people how important it is for young athletes to get vaccinated. Doctors are encouraging more young people to get the vaccine, not for themselves, but for others that they come into contact with.
A lot of the younger people, I think, feel like, if you haven't had it or you've had it, it was mild. You don't know a lot of people that have gotten sick. It's summertime, we're out and about as it is, and it's not on the forefront, right? And they're not really thinking about it. But what I really try and encouraging them is it's not just about you, it's about the community.
The site has the capacity to vaccinate 4,000 people a day, and you don't need an appointment. They're taking walk-ups.